Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject mathematics and the subtopic is subtraction up to the 7-digit numbers, borrowing and the word problem. So borrowing is very important. Many students are making the mistakes while taking the borrowing. Okay, so what exactly the borrowing? We will solve some examples on through the example solving we will understand what exactly the borrowing steps and what exactly we have to remember to should not be make any mistakes. Okay, so this is exercise 9.1 Navneet text digest book, so on page number 232. So before going to this exercise, there is a one small examples already solved in our Navneet digest on same this page number 232. So there is a 5 lakhs, and this from the 5 lakhs there is a deduction of the 1 lakh 98. Okay, 1 lakh and this 98 is there. Okay, now we can deduct this from 0 minus 8 or something, but the main logic is here 5 lakh and this 1 lakh, these are the main. Okay, after this 5 lakh there are the no any digits shown. So very simply in options there is a 5 lakh and something number, then 3 lakh and something, then 6 lakh and something, and then 5 lakh and something. To save our time, we can directly judge that 5 lakh minus 1 lakh. Okay, this is the somewhat with 4 lakh, and again there is a subtraction of this 98 also, means below the 4 lakhs. Okay, that answer should be the below the 4 lakh, and in our options if there is a below the 4 lakh is given, so we can directly announce, or we can say directly submit that option as a correct answer. So this is a just we can say very quickly giving the answer. Okay, means option number 2, that is a just below the 4 lakhs. Okay, so option number 2 is here showing the correct one. Okay, so other options mean 1, 3 and 4, they are the above 5 lakhs. Okay, so after minusing something, or we can say after deducting something digit from the 5 lakh, means from 1 lakh from the 5 lakh, of course that result, or we can say that number, or we can say that total should be the less than 4 lakh. But how can the options will correct that 5 lakh above or 6 lakh above, or we can say the 5 lakh above? That should not be. So that's why below the 4 lakh is option number 2 is the correct one. Now another one, the method 1 and method 2, here vertical one below another. So okay, this is the one example we will trying to understand for the borrowing purpose. Okay, so this same example but in a two way. Okay, so here 95,001 and 77,306, this is the numbers. So from this one we have to make the subtraction. Okay, so here this is unit place, this is tens place, hundred place, and thousands and 10,000. So same respectively we are keeping all the digits one below one. Okay, of the same places. Now 1 minus this 6 can possible? No. So what we will do, this 1 should be comes with the addition of the 10. So from here we will keep the tens here. Now in this one, this unit and this tens, so only we will consider these two units. So while if this is a unit place, then we will consider this as a tens. Okay, so from here we will borrow the 10 here, but here 0, nothing is there, means it cannot be give us the 10. So this 0 will borrow the 10 from this one. Okay, while borrowing 10 from this one, this 0 consider as a unit and this consider as a tens, only this pair way. Okay, but here also 0, so this one cannot be give the 10. So for this 10, he has to bring the 10 from here, so this should be considered as a unit and this should be considered as a 10. So only this pair we will consider. So from this tens we will borrow the 10 here. Okay, and now this will reduce by from 5 to 4. Now 10 is here coming, then 10 transfer to here, and then transfer to here, and then transfer to here, means added. Okay, now this 10 plus 1, now this comes the 11. Now 11 minus 6, 5 comes. Now after giving this 10 here, this 10 which is bring from this one, or we can say borrowing from this one, it reduces by 1. Okay, so it comes the 9. Again same, this one also reduces to the 9. So 9 minus 0, 9 as it is, and 9 minus 3, this is 6. Okay, now 4 minus 7 can happen? No. So again we have to borrow the 10 here. So this 9 will reduce to the 8, and this 4 will added with the 10 borrowing. So 10 plus 4, it comes the now 14. So 14 minus 7, so 7 here. And now 8 minus 7 possible? Yes. So there is a 1. Like this one, we have to find out the answers. So same like this in horizontal also, only the places unit to the unit we have to subtract in this manner. Same here vertical and here the horizontal. Okay, don't make the confusion while the considering the places here. So 1 minus 6 cannot possible. So like this, same borrowing from here, again here, now again here, it will reduce to the 4. Now this will convert the 10 here, and after this borrowing, it comes the 10 plus 1 means 11. Now it will reduce to the 9, and this one also reduce to the 9. Okay, like this one. So 11 minus 6, here the 5, then 9 minus 0, as it is 0, then 9 minus 3, here the 6, then 4 minus 7 happen, no. So we will take the borrowing of the 10 from here, means this will come the 8. Only these two digit we will consider. Okay, this as a unit and this as a tenth. So 1/10 we will borrowing from here to here, and this 10 plus this 4 means 14 comes, and this will reduce by the 1/10, means by 1 at this positions, means this is the 9/10, so it converts the 8/10. Now 14 minus 7, 7 here, and now 8 minus 7 can happen, yes, so that comes the 1, like this one. So this is the answer. Okay, so like this one we can make a subtraction. Now in this one, the small concept you understand, any digit number, now here up to the unit 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000, there might be the lakh, 10 lakh and something. Okay, but only for understanding purpose I take up to the 10 lakhs. Now both the methods, means one below another, or we can say horizontal, uh, only consider that the digit which are going to subtract. Oh, this is subtraction. Okay, not addition, by mistakenly this sign is keeping same. So this is subtraction, we can say. Okay, subtraction, see this minus this one. Okay, while only think about this pair, okay, of the subtraction, this one should be considered as a unit, and the adjacent of the left should be considered as a tens. Okay, same I have written here. Okay, now when you subtracting this one, okay, consider this as a unit, and the adjacent should be as a tens. Okay, if not possible, then borrow tens from here, means deduct 1 here, means this is the tens now. Okay, so borrow 1/10 here and add in this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, and this should be reduced by the 1/10. Okay, so it will reduce by the 1/10. If this is also not possible, this subtraction, then again borrow tens from here. While borrowing this one, this consider as a unit and this consider as a tens. Okay, means always be consider only that pair which are going to subtract, and adjacent left should be considered as a tens. Okay, means 1/10 or some things. Okay, this 1/10 means somewhat be like a 100, 200 we are saying. So same things, 100, 1/10 means 10, 2/10 means 20, 3/10 means 30, like this one. But here only about the tens, we are talking only about the tens, means no need to always be saying the 1/10, we are saying the tens. So that's why this will consider as a tens. Okay, and this will consider as a unit. Now when you are going to subtract about this pair, or considering this operation about this pair, consider this number as a unit and the adjacent left side as a tens place. If this possible subtraction, okay, go ahead. If not, then borrow 10 from here, and this reduced by the 1, means 1/10 will be reduced here from this digit, means by the 1, that digit will reduce by the 1, likewise. So this is the main step. Okay, and same in a horizontal manner also, only consider about these two pairs. After this one, consider about this place, this will be at the unit and this will be as a tens. After this one, consider only about this pair, this will consider as a unit, and this consider as a tens for borrowing. If suppose from this pairs to this pairs you are making the operation of the subtraction, if you need a borrowing, so make a borrowing, that time you consider this as a unit and this as a tens, like this one, only these pairs, like this one. So pair should be tens and the unit, tens and the units. Okay, so likewise you have to make the subtraction. So now we are going to see the exercise 9.1. So there is very simple exercise. 9 lakh minus 7 lakh 59,000. Okay, 9 lakh, then minus 70, sorry, 7,59,993. So I think you can do. So the answer will comes here. I will directly give the answers after subtracting this one. I will not show every subtraction minus or something. Okay. Now as per this method, student has to make the practice. Okay. Take a borrowing from the left side, consider as a tens, and make a subtraction. So for the understanding the subtraction, the practice should be must. Okay. So practice and practice is very very important. Okay. So student must have to consider. So answer is here 14,000 and then 7, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 2, there is a 696 then 715, means 6,96,715 plus there is a one box, means something number is there. Okay, is equals to 784 then 701. Now this number we have to find out. How we can find out? Now here the addition. So what will, in this number something has added, okay, then we get this number. So we will go reversely, means this number, now here at the left it will, this is a positive because there is no sign. By default there is a sign is a positive, means this is a positive integer. Okay, now this will directly convert to the, after this equal sign to the right side, means this will comes the minus. Okay, means subtraction is just there, means this number minus this number, we get the this answers. Okay, like this one. Or another way, if any number is added something, then whatever the total we get, so that total also of these two numbers, okay, means any number we have deducted from this total, we get the another numbers like this one. So this number minus this number, you will get the our this correct options, and the option is 2 is the correct one. So that option means 87 lakh, sorry, 87,986, this number you will get after this subtraction. Okay, so student, please make a subtraction and try to check your answers also. Now question number 3, there is a 2,54,363 plus something, question mark is there, is equals to 968,345, means 9,68,345, means this is same. Now here the question mark is here and here the box, so same like this one. Now this is the positive, it will turn to here, and this will come the negative 254,363, because after the equal sign already I explained in the last video also, any number, okay, any number, if we transfer from here to here, if this is positive it will comes the in negative, if here the multiplication it will comes the here the division, if here the division, here the multiplication, like this, means operation will comes the opposite means, now plus and minus, these are the opposite ones. Multiplication and the division, these are the opposites one. Okay, so likewise vice versa also, means negative to convert positive or positive to convert the negative, division to convert multiplication, multiplication to convert the division, likewise. So this sign is very important, means equal sign. Any number we have to transfer to the another side, from here to there it will come the positive, likewise. So here also the question mark means same like this one box, and the correct options is here option number 3. Now question number 4, instead of subtracting 32,557 from a number, okay, so this is subtracted from this number. Okay, so something number I just mark out for your understanding. So box minus something number, if 570 means 23,570 is subtracted, means from this number. Okay, so if this is subtracted from this one 32,570, okay, this is the another condition, this is another condition, so means this minus this one, we get this something same this number which is in a box. Okay, what we can say about this answer, means we can say this answer what we will get. Now here 0 minus 0 0 5, sorry, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0, then 3 minus 2 can possible, no, so it comes the 12 minus 3 9, this borrowing from here to here, so it will come the 2, so 2 minus 2 0. Okay, means 9,000, means this box is a 9,000. 9,000. Okay, small, very small. I write, and so you consider this one. So this is a 9,000. Here also the 9,000. Okay, what we can say? We can say increase this number by 9,000. We get this number like this one. Means the vice versa. So same is given in option number 2. Means increase by this 9,000 means we get this number. Okay, increase by means this number should be increased by 9,000 likewise. Now, question number 5. What is the difference between the greatest and smallest 6-digit number? This is very important. Now, there are the 3, 2, 0 and 9. These are the digits, but 9 should not be repeated. It should be used least once. Okay, least once. That is very important. Means 9 should be used only one time. And there is a greatest 6-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here we will make the greatest number. Okay, so for making the greatest number we have to use the greater digit. So 9 should be here, but only one time you have to use. Okay, so now 3, 2 and 0. So smaller unit, smaller digit we will use at the smaller place, means at the unit. Now after this one, next smaller is the 2. We will not use the 2 repeatedly because this is a smaller one. After this one, which is a greater one, 3 is there, and after this one the 9, but 9 should not be repeat, so only we can repeat the 3. So we will repeat 3 here. So this number and the smallest number, the difference we have to calculate, means minus this 6 another smallest number we can say. So this is smallest one. Now for smallest one we cannot be start from the 0. So after this one, the which is smallest, 2 is there, so we will start with the 2. And then the greatest we will maintain at the smallest place, and that should be not repeated because that should be used least once. Now after this one, the 3 is there. Okay, we cannot be repeat this 3, otherwise this will comes the somewhat be greater than the smallest one. So this smaller digit we will repeat, means 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now we have to make the subtraction. So this 0 minus 9 possible? No. So we will take a tens from this one, it will come the 1, and this tens plus 0, it comes the 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. Then 1 minus 3 can possible? No. So again we will take a 10 borrowing from this one, so it will convert the 2 here. Now this comes the 11. So 11 minus 3, 8 comes. Now 2 minus 0. Okay, so 2 as it is. Then 3 minus 0, 3. Then 3 minus 0, again the 3, and this 9 minus 2, 7 comes. Means 7 lakh 33,281. But if you see in option number 1, there is another 7 lakh 99. In option number 2 also 7 lakh 99. Means everything 7, 9 and then something, means this 7 lakh 33 is not showing in any option, but our answer is this one. So possibly there is a printing mistake in this one. Okay, so consider this as our answer. Now question number 6, this is a simple subtraction. So student has to do this subtraction. If you make this subtraction from this 13,17,519 minus this 10 lakh 7,423, you will get the answer. Very simple. So option number 4 comes. So that is a 3,10,096. So option number 4 here correct one. For option number 6. Okay, not for the question number 5. Question number 5 is a different one. So now question number 7, something question mark is shown in a box, then plus this 3, 4, 8, 2, 2, 5, 6 is equals to 6, 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3. So we have to find out this number. Okay, what we will do here, this is a positive, so we will shift here, means minus this 3, 4, 8, 2, 2, 5, 6, and then we will carry out this subtraction. Okay, so after this subtraction we will get this answer as a means which number which can be replaced at the question mark, or we can say the inbox. So please do this one. Option number 3 comes, okay, which is a 33,75,257. Okay, so this subtraction, please make the practice for this one, same as like our this methods. Okay, question number 8, which number should be subtracted from the number? Okay, so here which number means something is there, one box is there, something number, which number is subtracted from the number means this has to be subtracted from the 8, 7, then 5, then 4, then 2 and 1 means 1,24,578 minus that number, unknown number. We get the greatest 5 digit number, so equal to greatest 5 digit number. Which is the greatest 5 digit number? We know the greatest 5 digit number means this 99,999. Now here this is a 6 digit number and this is 5 digit number, so unknown we have to find out. So to find out this unknown, this is the total of these two numbers. Okay, because from this number something is deducted, or we can say subtracted, then we are getting this one. So we will deduct this 99,999 from this number, okay, so we will get this one. Okay, 1 2 4 5 7 8 minus 99,999. So this subtraction if we do, we will get this number. So here 18 can possible, no. So 8 minus 9 can possible, no. So 1 borrowing, so 18 minus 9 9, 1 already we have given, so this 7 comes 6. Now 6 minus 9 cannot possible, so this comes the 4, so it comes the 16 minus 9, so here 7. So 4 minus 9 can possible, no. So here the 3 comes, so now this convert the 14 after adding the 10. So 14 minus 9, 5 comes. So 3 minus 9 can possible, no. So from here, okay, so 13 minus 9, 4 comes. Now 1 minus 9 can possible, no. So this one comes the 0 and this will come the 11. So 11 minus 9, it comes the 2, means 24,579, and this is given in option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 9, what is the difference between the smallest 7 digit number, odd number, sorry, 7 digit odd number? So what is the smallest 7 digit number? Smallest 7 digit number, we know this one, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 7. But this is the even number because 0 is there, but smallest number. So after this one, this is smallest one, so above this one, 1 is there. Okay, so that is the odd number, 1 is the odd, so we will replace 1 instead of the 0. So this is a 10 lakh and 1. Okay, so this is a 7 digit odd number and greatest 7 digit even number. So what is the greatest even digit number? So greatest is the 99999 and this 9, but this is a even number, so we have to make the smaller one because after this one the 8 digit comes. Okay, so here 8 should become after deducting 1, means this is a even number. So from this one and this one, so difference we have to find out. How to find out the difference? Means from this one we have to, from greatest one we have to subtract the smallest ones, means like this one. So this 8 minus 1, 7, 9 as it is, 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 and this is a 8. Okay, so 89 lakh 99,997. So this is given in option number 4. Now question number 10. So here box are shown, okay, minus here circles are shown, and at the result there are the, see, these triangles are shown. Okay, so these digits are the same. Okay, means this unknown digit at the square is the different, unknown digit at the circle is different, and this triangle is different. So these are the three different digits. Okay, so from this one we have to deduct this one, so we can get this one. So we will check first option. So there is a respectively in question also. Please read the question. Which digit will there be in places of this square, then circle, and then triangle respectively? This respectively is very important, means in a same sequence answers also we have to give, means this is a one digit in answer also. Now here 7, 3 and 5 shown, means instead of this square 7 should be there, instead of circle 3 should be there, and instead of this triangle 5 should be there, means respectively. Okay, sequence wise. Option number 2 9, then 4 and 5. Option number 3 9, then 7 and this 3. Option number 4 2 1 and then 0. Now we will try all these options. So here 7, okay, respectively we have to go. So if this option number 1 we use, so 7 minus this 3 is equal to 5. Can it possible 7 minus 3 5? No. So this option cannot. Now option number 2 we will check. Now instead of this square 9 should be there, so 9. Instead of square circle here 4 should be there, so 9 minus 4, and we will get instead of this triangle 5. So 9 minus 4 5 comes. Yes, this is the correct one. It can be possible. Now checking this same way for the option number 3 9, then this 7. So 9 minus 7 here should be 2, but here the 3 shown, so this cannot be. Likewise 2 minus 1 0 is shown here. If we get these digits, or if we place this digit on our symbols, so this is also cannot possible. 2 minus 1 0 cannot be. So option number 2 is the correct one. Thank you.